Hello dear traders, today is Wednesday the 2nd of December. You're watching Daily Financial News with me, Anna Kasatkina. Today market participants welcomed upbeat news from Australia as the Australian Bureau of Statistics released its GDP report. The growth rate of the gross domestic product is the primary measure of the country's economic performance and financial health. Recently, the green continent has seen a significant uplift in the pace of economic expansion. This time, solid macroeconomic data from Australia once again provided encouraging signals that the country's economy is regaining momentum. The Australian economy added 0.9% over the third quarter, while the previous revised reading clocked in at 0.3%. Meanwhile, analysts had predicted the GDP figures to post a 0.8% increase. On an annual basis, the growth rate of Australia's economy climbed from 1.9% printed earlier to 2.5% in the 3 months to the end of September. The main contributors to Australia's third quarter GDP were exports of goods and services, which gained 4.6% due to increased activity in the mining sector. Federal Treasurer Scott Morrison said the figures would give Australians confidence in the country's prosperity now and in the years ahead. Australia's national currency also demonstrated a slight improvement in the foreign exchange market as the Aussie versus greenback pair maintained a bullish momentum. By the time the GDP report was released, the Australian dollar was trading around 0.7325 versus its US counterpart. After the third quarter GDP growth rate came above the consensus estimate, the Aussie versus greenback pair advanced to 0.7345. However, somewhat later, the Australian currency corrected down to 0.7314 levels. Experts believe that the Aussie's downtick may suggest a certain weariness from the recent sharp rally. However, the upside potential for the commodity bloc currency may be limited by the US dollar strength. The American currency is likely to hit fresh highs following today's release of the ADP non-farm employment change report. This Wednesday promises traders a robust batch of crucial economic data. Learn more about latest developments in financial markets from the next news releases on InstaForexTV. Thank you and goodbye.